Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, dear viewers. Today, I'm bringing you the AMRAAM-120 air-to-air missile. This is the fairing. The row of rivet and screw holes at the back is very dense. There are a large number of screw holes on the AMRAAM-120. Use a crosshead screw instead of a hex socket screw. They're all Phillips screws. I don't know why. If knowledgeable friends see this, are you familiar with the manufacturing process of the AMRAAM-120 missile? You can leave a message to share. This touches on my knowledge blind spot. Even the AMRAAM-54 Phoenix. Then proceed to AGM-88 Harm. They're all screws with many hex sockets, and the AMRAAM-120 serves as the primary medium-range air-to-air missile of the U.S. military, but mostly uses a crosshead screw. Give me a sense of a more primitive craftsmanship. The screws at the front are very dense. There's a screw every other one at the back. Maybe this fairing needs to be reinforced. The screw holes at the back are denser. Mainly these 4 dishes. The 4 sections, 1 through 4, may all be crucial parts. This is the combat department. AMRAAM-120 should be a high-explosive directed fragmentation design. Friends who know can leave comments to discuss in the comment section. Then look here. The bulge here is for installing the missile wiring. Let's take a look at many of the early missiles. The AM-9L missile has a cylindrical body. The later model AM-9L was revised to AM-9X. A protrusion is designed at this position. It is designed to connect the wiring of different sections, just like the spine of a person. In this way, the parts produced by different departments can be quickly connected. The wire harness extends from here all the way to the back. This makes production more convenient. Then, everyone, pay attention to the wiring harness channel of AM-120. There are 4 screws, 2 large and 2 small. There's a special design. Here are 2 screws, then 42424. Is it to save materials? One of the main features of the AM-120 is the reinforced leading edge of its forward fins. Each side of the fins has 4 screws reinforcing the ribs, and parts of the body are similar to a spindle shape. Connected to the wings is a circular protrusion. Serves to reinforce the wings. Both C and D types are available, but I have looked at a lot of live-fire photos of the AMRAAM-120. Some have, some don't, and not all have. Then, after finishing this detail, look here, there's also a ring of rivets. But like before, it is relatively sparse. We continue to look at the missile's tail. The tail has a traditional rudder controlled by servo. Here is a reinforced square plate that manipulates the entire rudder for steering. There are 2 small screws on each of the 4 sides. This is also what I discovered after looking at a large number of pictures. I don't know exactly what it's used for. Not quite sure either. What else did I find when I checked the physical picture? There are 2 rivets next to this control surface that are raised. I have no idea what this is used for. If any friends who know see this video, it just so happens that you also know why these design details are included. You can leave a message in the comment section. A popular science introduction to model making for enthusiasts around the world. Answer my doubt. The tail has only 1 rocket engine. Here's just a nozzle, so I didn't do it too deeply, to ensure the entire missile does not deform. Even if a long time passes, this place will not deform, so it wasn't done too deeply. Just apply black directly. I also designed some details here. It's here that the wire harness cover is raised. There is a circle at the back. I don't know what it is. Let me zoom in for everyone to see. It might not be clear to see. I'll try a different one. Can you see it? Here, I made a small circular protrusion. This one is also based on a picture of the actual item. A real missile has such a design. The 2 AMRAAM-120 missile fins introduced today both feature this blade design, based on real ammunition images. All real missiles feature this blade wing design. That's it for today's video. See you next time.